Good morning, children. In today's class of our E.V.S, we are going to learn block 9. The strand is my body. In that, we are going to learn inside our body. What we have inside our body? We have a brain, we have a liver, we have kidneys, we have lungs, we have intestines, and the heart. We will see where they are located and how they help us to function our body. Open your content book, children. Page number 58. Inside our body, we have external parts of our body and we have internal parts of our body. So, body parts and internal organs. We can see some external parts of our body like head, neck, arms, and legs. These are known as our body parts. There are many organs inside our body like brain, this is a brain, heart, and stomach that we cannot see. These are known as the internal organs of our body. So, the organs which are inside our body and we cannot see, they are called as internal organs of our body. Brain, stomach, lungs, heart, and kidneys. These are our internal organs of our body. Each internal organ of our body has an important role to play. All these internal organs of a body have different roles to play. As it is in your class, there could be a class leader, lunch monitor, like checking your nails, etiquette monitor. In the same way, we have different organs in our body which have different roles to play. The first one is brain. Brain, what we do with the brain? We think with our brain. Our brain help us to read, write, remember things and also control other parts of our body. It is inside our head. So our brain help us to read, write, remember things and it also controls the other parts of our body. It is inside our head. So if you see the picture here, we can see the brain. You can see the heart. This is your heart. These are your lungs. This is stomach. And these are your kidneys. Here is shown clearly where are the body parts placed and how they look in our body. Lungs, stomach, kidneys, and your heart. We have already seen the brain. So we'll see what are their roles. Lungs. The first picture is lungs. These are your lungs. I've given you a worksheet also, children. So you can see the lungs. Lungs. We have two lungs in our body. We have two lungs in our body. Like we have two eyes, two ears, two hands, two legs. We have also have two lungs in our body. They are present in our chest. They help us breathe in fresh air and breathe out stale air. What does the lungs do, children? They help us to breathe in fresh air and breathe out stale air. When we do the meditation, what we say? Breathe in, children, and breathe out. So lungs will help us to breathe in fresh air and breathe out stale air. Stomach. Our stomach grinds and digests the food we eat. As we see the mixie, how it goes. When we put the dal for idli, it becomes into a smooth paste. In the same way, our stomach is like a grinder. It grinds and digests the food we eat, because whatever we eat, it should get digested. The next one is kidneys. These are the two kidneys. We have two kidneys in our body. Our kidneys clean our blood. So whatever waste is there in our body is cleansed by kidneys. The waste is sent by kidneys. Then the most important one is our heart. Our heart pumps blood and sends it to the whole body. It pumps the blood. You can hear the sound, lap tap, lap tap, lap tap. So it pumps the blood and sends it to the whole body. It is on the left side of the chest. If you check your left side and keep your hand, you can hear the heartbeat sound. And your heart is the size of your fist. Turn to the next page, children. The next topic we are going to learn is bones, joints, and muscles. These are your bones, and these thread things like are your muscles, and here it is a joint. Muscles and bones in our body. Our bones, joints, and muscles work together to help us move and bend. When we say children go in a line, after you finish your assembly, you all form a line and go in a line to your class. In the same way, our bones, joints, and muscles should work together, which will help us to move and bend. Bones are the hard part of our body. So, bone is the hardest part of our body. The point where two bones meet is called a joint. These are the bones. If there is no skin, it is only a bone. You can see our pet dog chewing the bone, right? So, where two bones join is called, or the meat is called a joint. Where the two bones meet is called a joint. And if you see a thread sort of a thing is called our muscles. Muscles are under our skin and cover our bones. So these muscles are covered our bones. This is without muscle and this is with the muscle. So muscles cover our bones. At moments, 1 minute. All movements of our body are controlled by muscles. So if you run, if you stand, if you jump, all these movements are controlled by muscles. So all movements of our body are controlled by muscles. So we learned about internal parts of body, their functions, and we learned about bones, joints, and muscles. Now we will learn how to keep ourselves healthy and active. Nowadays, if you see, due to pandemic situation or The schools are not there. All children are stuck to the TV and they sit near the TV and all the time they're playing or watching the TV. Are you getting any exercise with that, children? No, we're not getting any exercise. Our body is just at one place. We are just sitting at one place. So that thing is not healthy for us. So what are the things which keep us healthy and active? Let's see. To keep all our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and exercise. What we should do to keep ourselves healthy? Not just sitting in front of the TV. We should do few exercises early in the morning or in the evening. You can go for a walk or inside your apartment or in your house or do some exercise. And we should eat healthy food, follow the same daily routine. Sometimes we may skip it, but we should have a proper daily routine because now you don't have school. It's not that you get up at any point of time that you wanted to get up. No, try to get up by 8 o'clock. Have your daily schedule, daily routine. Eat your breakfast properly, your lunch at proper time, and dinner at proper time, and sleep by 9 o'clock. As your children, who should sleep by 9:30. Please do not play with your mobile phones or don't stuck to the television. Do some proper good things and keep yourself healthy. Okay, children? That will directly makes you active. And please listen to your parents. We should play outdoors every day. We should also keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. If you follow a daily routine, it will automatically keep you healthy and active. Sometimes you can eat the food that you want, but always try to have a healthy food and keep yourself active. This is what the block children. I'll be giving you the keywords to underline in the content book and write the glossary when I give you in your daily schedule. The glossary is digest, breaking down food so that our body can use it. Why we eat food? Because we need energy to do the things. External, outside. Internal, inside. Organs, internal parts of our body with a fixed shape and role. So, this is for the block children. Please read the lesson once again and follow the video for the block. Okay? I'll see you in the next class, children. Bye bye. Have a nice day, children.